This rugged ridge center console cover is for the 2007 to 2010 JK owner looking for a small modification to spice up their interior with something unique rather than the plain factory. This will also provide some good protection to the top of your center console, keeping it looking brand new over time. Or if you're looking to cover up some existing wear and tear on your center console, this will do just the job. This is timeless to install at 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and I'll show you more about the install in just a minute. This center console might not look too comfortable to lean on because of the unique tire tread design, but it's made from a polyurethane foam, making it actually enjoyable to rest your arm on while you're driving in the Jeep. Since the foam on the cover is thick and very heavy duty, this is going to do a very good job at protecting the top of your center console from any scratches or any stains. Because of the polyurethane material, it will hold up and last a long time. What I like about this cover, aside from other options that we have, is that this is in cloth so it's not going to stain, and you can wipe it down while you're cleaning your interior instead of taking it off and throwing it in the wash. It installs in seconds with automotive 3M tape, so you can trust that it's not going to budge when you do lean on it. This cover also comes in a tan color for the 2007 to 2010 JK models, giving you an option as well, and there's also an option for the 11 to 17 models, so make sure you get the right one for your JK. As far as price goes, this is about average for a center console cover, coming in at right around $40. There are more expensive options that are all cushion and are made for comfort, and then there are the less expensive options that are just the bare minimum cloth. With this standing right in the middle, I honestly think it's the best of both worlds with comfort and protection, while still adding a little touch of style, unlike the other options offer. At right around $40, I definitely think this is worth the price if these benefits are what you're looking for. Like I mentioned, this goes on in seconds, so the install is getting a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter.
First step, you want to make sure that you clean the armrest pad, make sure there's not any dirt or oil on the surface. After you've cleaned the armrest thoroughly, we're going to go ahead and peel the backing tape off of the Now once you've peeled all the backing tape off, we're going to go ahead and adhere it to the center console. Press firmly down on it and make sure that all sides adhere. Congratulations, you've now successfully installed your Rugged Ridge center console cover.